Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the RPMs on your Kawasaki KLX, where to get to it, what RPMs to set it at. So let's get started. So what you're going to do is start it up. Go ahead, start it up here. Then you're going to let it idle for a few minutes, or you can just go for a little short ride. So let's go for a little short ride here, and then I'll show you how to adjust the idle on here. So just riding around will get it warmed up. Just letting it idle will get it warmed up. So you get it warmed up here. And then in the manual it's going to say set your idle to 1300 RPMs plus or minus 50. To find your idle adjustment screw on here, it's right here on the right side, down behind this bar, frame rail right here. There's a little idle screw in there. I don't know if you can see that there, right in there. So I'm going to unscrew it a little bit to go down. Just a little bit at a time, and then just hit the throttle up here, and you can see it went down just a little bit. So 1300 RPM plus or minus 50, so you're at 1250 or 1350, anywhere around there. That's what your idle should be set at. So that's how to adjust your idle. Just let it warm up, ride it around or idle. And then on the right side there, just that screw, and adjust until you're at 1300 plus or minus 50 on your RPMs here. So then your idle's set and you can go and ride around. Get through this tall grass. Alright, so there you go. Got your idle set. You're ready to ride some trails. Hope this video helped you. Be sure to like and subscribe. All the things. And I'll see you in the next one.